Today is December 4th, 2021. I am in Monument, Colorado, right by the Rocky Mountains. Let's see if this Walmart has model kits. I am in Monument, Colorado. I've been to numerous Walmarts with no luck finding model kits in Colorado. This is my last-ditch effort to see if a Walmart has model kits in Colorado. Love the view of the Rockies I get daily living on the eastern slope, including a great view of Pikes Peak, which is about 15 minutes south to see the peak from the highway. Let's go inside and see if this trip is a success. I searched for several minutes in the Walmart, and right across the aisle from the Hot Wheels, here are the model kits. Let's take a look and see what they have. Here's the Milk Trike Bike, some 68 Shelbys, 66 Fairlane, Star Trek, many Star Trek kits here, especially from different eras that you may have watched. And they are snap kits, of course, which is great for the kids. We got the Batmobile here. There were 3 of those deep. We got the Mach 5 from Speed Racer, AMT Wrecker, the Plow, the Coca-Cola truck, the Coca-Cola trailer. Oh man, this is looking really good so far. We got some wacky rays with a few different of the kits and assortment here that you can see in the video. One with the dog. Got a few of those. Grumpy's Vega. That's always a nice kit to have. Got a 41 Plymouth from the Coca-Cola edition. Some more Grumpy's Vega. Some more Star Trek. And some more of the other kits that you've seen. We have the Nova. A lot of the Ford vans here for Coca-Cola. I'm starting to see a lot of the Coca-Cola kits here at this Walmart. 55 Chevrolet as well. Got plenty of those. We have a 70.5 Camaro.
That's pretty cool.
Behind that we have some of the 77 Pintos here. Got plenty of those as well, I can see back here. Definitely well stocked. Some the 60 Ford, and then we have some more of the 41 Plymouths here. 2 rows deep it looks like. Just want to check them all, make sure nothing is sneaking behind here that I didn't see before. That might be a special treat. Not thinking you'll see it here at Walmart. Some more 64s as well. And we got a lot of kits here, which is great. Surprised not a lot of these have been hit so far. Some more, we have a 32 Ford here, more Pintos, Plymouths, and 70.5 Camaro. More Coca-Cola. We're obviously seeing a big trend here. And what I've also seen on YouTube is a lot of the Walmarts have the Coca-Cola kits well stocked at these locations that you can find. Some more of the vans, 88 Ford Mustang GT, the 60 Chevrolet. I've been looking for this. My hobby lobby hasn't had one, so I'm gonna grab 2 here, as I have 2 ideas in mind for those. Some more 77 Pintos here. I already have these Coca-Cola kits, so not need to stock up on them anymore. Here's some more 32 Fords as well. Those to be deep all the way in the back. Let's go down to the next level. 007 71 Ford Mustang. We have some 32 Fords in 32nd scale. The 64 convertible custom here. The 66 Nova Pro Streets, got some of those in here. The 57 Bel Air. I know that kit and the 66 can be found at Hobby Lobby. The Christine, I used to see that one at Michael all the time. Here's a Sonoma SLS that we saw. It comes with the skis. Some more Christines. And then another Mustang there, the GT. And moving over, we have the Paddy Wagon from Monopoly. Didn't get one of those, wasn't really interested in that Paddy Wagon. Here's a 65 convertible. I think that kit can be a hardtop or convertible. We have some of the Ford Lightning kits here, the Deserter, some more Coca-Cola 77 Ford Pintos, some more Pro Street kits, the 70 Chevelle by AMT. And then we have the Jimmy as well, I see here. I only had 2 Jimmys here at this location. And then some more duplicates that we've seen so far. And then you have a single clear case 4-model kit. I already have plenty of those stocked up for my build, so I didn't grab that one. But that's what was there at the Walmart, which was honestly a great selection of what they had. I just grabbed the 2 60 Chevy pickups that I've been looking for those, and the 2 Hobby Lobbies at my town didn't have them in stock, and they had them here. So the kits were 24 bucks a pop, which wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad deal, especially if you count having to usually pay shipping online to get those, which is easily running up to 30, 32 bucks. I'm happy this Walmart had a model kit assortment. Definitely worth the drive to come to this Walmart in a small town. Comment below where you are from and if you've seen any model kits at your local Walmart. Your comment could help someone who lives close that is looking for model kits as well. I know a few of the local modelers here in the state will definitely be coming to this particular Walmart now that I found these kits. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of when I release new content. And remember, the models we build are cool, but the people who build them are cooler.